Hi, welcome to my project.com. Our process is human effects of enhanced privacy management models. Let's say start with abstract. This project enhances existing system and introduces new social network privacy management models. A mechanism of cryptographic technique is used to obtain this objective. By applying the key concept, the privacy and security is achieved. RSA algorithm of cryptographic technique applies the encryption and decryption methods on the user publishing files, which provides the way to securely transact the desired data to the recipient. Key concept enables the user to create group, create cloud, upload files and assign private keys to the group members. This helps the member in a particular group can view the encrypted transmitted file using the private key. Data flow diagram explains the flow of this project. Initially, the user has to log in by providing the inputs like username, password, IP address. When the user successfully logged in, it will go to the create group module. Then the user has to create a group so that they can add the members in that group. When they added members, it will go to the create cloud module that the user of that group or a owner of that group can load the files for encryption process. This encryption is done by using the password binding with that file. Then the file is successfully encrypted. It will transmit it to the members in that group. Only authenticated members of the group can allow to decrypt the file. After the decryption is successfully completed, the view file module allows them to view that file. Let's say I explain you the demo of this project. To run this project, go to debug menu, start debugging. This is a user register module. Here you have to give all your user details. User 6. IP address will be automatically generated when you click sign up button. Give your email ID. Give password. Click sign up. All your details are successfully stored into the database, so it shows you have registered successfully. Click OK. Now the login module will be open. Here you have to give your registered details. So for further processing, click login. Now you are successfully logged into this application. Click OK. This is a create group module. I am going to create a group called my.NET team, and the authorization name user 6. Click create. It will generate a public key for this group owner. Click next. This is a group login authorization module. Give group name, authorization name, public key which I already fetched. Click sign in. Now the details are matched with the database, so it shows the valid dialog box. Click OK. To add members into a group, you need to know what are the members, who are the members have already registered their details in this application. To know the details of the members, click user details. It shows the number of users which have already registered. So from these collection of member details, you can select any one member or any number of members to add into your group. Here I am choosing user 5. Click add. It shows a newly generated sign-in key. So this key is going to allow the new member for decrypt the file which you added into this group. Then click next. This is a create cloud module. Here you can create a specific folder or a space or a memory to load all your files for encryption process. Here I am creating a folder called file container, click create. It will create a specific space to load all your files. Click OK. Now you are going to load all your files into this file container folder. Click open. It will open a dialog box. From the existing directory or folder, I am going to add a file into my specific file container folder. Click save. Now the newly loaded file is saved into this file container folder. Then click next. This is an encryption decryption module. Now I am going to encrypt the newly loaded file. For that I have to give my owner key. If you don't give your public key, it won't allow you to encrypt your file. See, when I give browse text file button without giving the public key, it shows the error dialog box, that is invalid public key or cannot encrypt file. So I have to give my public key. This public key is a group owner public key. Now click browse text file. Now it opens a folder that I have loaded the file. Here the .NET text file I have loaded in that file container, right? Click .NET text file and click encrypt file. This forms enables you to encrypt your file by giving the password. I am giving password. Both the public key password and private key password should be same. Click OK. Now the encryption is successfully completed. Click OK. To view the file to view the encrypted file, go to this file decrypt tab. Here this is for the newly added member to view the encrypted file. I have added a user 5 in this in my my.NET team. So to view the encrypted file, the newly added member have to know which group he belongs to. So click get your key here. Give the user ID of that newly added member. Click check. It shows the newly added member belongs to the group name, my.NET name, and the sign-in key is VHJ2Z93JX. So we have to give this key to decrypt the file. Click next. Give the private key that we have fetched, VHJ Z93JX. Click browse text. Now the private key is matched, so it allows us to decrypt the file. Now I have to open the decrypted file in the file, which will be in the file container folder. The .NET txt is why it is saved in the my folder means I have specified a path my folder in the decryption coding. So when the user is encrypt the file, it will automatically save the encrypted file into this my folder path. So we have to open the encrypted file in the my folder. Then click open. It shows the encrypted file. To decrypt this, we have to click the decrypt button. It will ask the same password which I have already used for the encryption process. So we have to the same password here. Now the decryption is successfully completed.